Good morning, boys and girls. It's Monday morning and time for our new Kathy and Mark story. So today we are going to read page 23 to 26 of our, well, it's not a new Kathy and Mark book anymore. We've read quite a few stories, but it's from our Indoors and Out book, and it's page 23. Now, as always, I've taken the words from the back, the new word list, and I've put them on a board so that we can go through them together before we read them in the story. So the first three are play, and that's a blend, pl, and then another blend which we haven't learnt yet, a. So it's pl, a, play. Tea, and Kathy and Mark come from England, so they speak of their tea. They normally have it at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's what we would generally call our supper, but they say we're going to have our tea now. And then have, and the last one is house. So let's go through them together. You can read them after me. Play, tea, have, house. Right, now let's see what Kathy and Mark get up to. So the story is called The House. And it looks like a fun little house. It's got a beautiful pot plant outside. Oh, and there's Socks, very keen to get in. He looks very happy, and I'm sure if we could see his tail, it would be wagging. And it's got pretty blue spotty curtains, and it looks like Kathy's little playhouse. So let's have a look. So inside is a table and chair set and a beautiful box with a tea set and some crockery, which we call this, which is plates and cups and things that we use to eat with. But our utensils, so our knives and forks and our spoons, those are called cutlery. So the cutlery are the knives, forks and spoons, but the crockery are the things that can break. So the cups, saucers, plates and so on. Crockery, knives, forks, spoons, cutlery. So those are just two other words to learn. So Kathy was outside in this picture, and now she calls Mark. Come in, Mark. This is a good little house. Come and see it. We can play here. I like to play in it. Oh, I think I would also like to play in it. Looks like you could have a lot of fun. You can play restaurant, and all kinds of games in this house. We can play house. Come and see, Mark. Look at this. Here is the tea. We can have tea. I like tea. Oh, but those look like breakable teapot and plates and so on. So that definitely is like crockery. Oh, so they'll have to be quite careful. And if they pretend and they put water in, or maybe real tea, they'll have to be careful that they don't break it. but it looks like they're having a lot of fun. Look at that smile coming on Mark's face. Oh, and here comes Socks in. Oh, and he looks like he would like some tea. So I wonder what's in this box. There it is. Maybe some biscuits. Here is Socks. Socks can have tea. Come in, Socks. Come in and have this. Jump up, jump up. Right, so Socks came into the house and he shared their tea with them. But it looks like she's packed the tea set away and now they are just having the biscuits left. All right, so now you can go back to page 23 and you can read the story on your own, or if you would like to follow in your book and read it with me again, you can play the video again. Right, go through it nicely and read all of those words that we learned today, those 4 new words: play, tea, have, and house, and then you read the story by yourselves.